Under certain conditions, soot or creosote can build up in exhaust systems which cannot be removed with normal brushes. Today I would like to show you how you do this using the Wöhler Snap Sweep system. We found severe and stubborn soot deposits on this exhaust system, so I decided to use the Wöhler Snap Sweep system. I can choose to attach a purlon brush, stainless steel chains, or nylon wires to the rotary head. The 1 meter or 3 feet long rods are very flexible and can be operated using a standard cordless screwdriver. The rods are put together using snap-in quick connectors, and now we'll take a look at the exhaust system to see what's going on. In this case, I decided to use the nylon wires attached to the rotary head, and to protect myself from the dirt when cleaning, I will use the Wöhler soot protection cone. Now I use the cordless screwdriver to rotate and clean the exhaust system bit by bit. That's how easy it is to clean using the Wöhler Snap and Sweep system.